Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're at a tool shop. This is Tool Off. A bunch of you guys have been telling me to check out this store. We have a habit of checking out these used tool shops in Japan, and I've never been to a Tool Off, so I'm very excited. And if you know the name, it may sound familiar, like Book Off, or what's the other one, Riley? Hard Off. You know, we always say, huh, what?
Hobby Off.
Hobby Off, yeah, there's Hobby Off,
Garage
Hard
Off.
Off, Garage Off,
Off
Tool
house.
Off House, what?
Yeah,
Really?
I don't know why they...
Oh. All I know is the bigger the hard off, the better. Hard on? What? We're at Tool Off today because this is probably one of the biggest chains for used tools in Japan, where you can find good deals on anything and some of those really unique special stuff. So let's go inside and check out Tool Heaven. Ooh, this is a jackpot, I can already tell. Oh yeah, power rolls.
So cheap.
Yes. These are so underrated. Extension cords that are already reeled up.
This one was like, I swear we saw this exact one at the home center today for 3 times the price.
Yeah, it was like $200 at the home center we saw today. These are great for FD rounds. We bring them to the pits and stuff when we're setting up for racing, but just in general at the shop too, we have a bunch of them. We always get them for a good deal. Is that?
It's cement, I think some like
Semi-dean. Yeah, something like
tile grout. Grout, that's what I'm trying to think of.
that. A few nail guns and stuff here. Bunch of crimping tools.
There is, I do want to try and find like an air-powered cutter.
Okay.
So, okay, snap-on, that's fine.
That old snap-on box is pretty much 4K. That's wild. It's 440,000 JPY. That's probably more like 3.8K USD right now. That's a lot of money. That's crazy. I'd rather an SP tool once.
It's got an Acura symbol on it.
Yeah, it does. Bunch of block and tackle.
I have this.
What is that?
It's a miter saw.
Oh yeah, circular saw. Okay, cutting wood. Hold up.
Drill press.
Hold up. Dude, that's... We brought the K-Vant, right?
Yeah.
Does that work? Because I'm buying that today if that works.
Ichiman Sansen.
Ichiman Sanzen yen.
So like under $100, like
Yeah,
90
that's
bucks.
like $90. What brand is it though? Is it a good one? I know it's a small one.
Oh my god, Sam.
Is that a mini lathe?
It's a mini lathe.
Is that a mini lathe? How much did they want for that?
71.
70. Yeah, that's a bit expensive. Oh, mini. Is that
Mini mill.
A mini mill?
For $2,000, you could get a mini lathe and a mini mill.
That's less than $2,000, dude. That's
Yeah, true.
71,000 Japanese yen, and that's 99,000 yen. So
Like
pretty much 100,000.
$1,500.
Yeah, it's like $1,500 for both of those. A mini lathe and a mini mill.
They're all manual, but
Okay, this is good but bad.
yeah.
Good but bad for my wallet. This is 110, right? Okay, so this would be okay. I just want to look inside what kind of belts it's using.
I mean,
Just a standard V belt. Oh, it's very chipped.
ooh.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, that's just
It also doesn't come with the vice thing here. I know it's still a good steel. I don't see any branding anywhere on it though.
compared to
Wiring's a little shonky.
what we're using right now with the just like a hand drill.
Yeah, but I already have something I'm watching on Yahoo. That's it's about 50,000 Japanese yen, and it's double the size.
I mean, hey, there's another one, right?
Yes,
sold.
It's sold, that one there, that little one.
Dang.
Yeah, it's
Oh, that was a
33.
good-
That's a
that
newer
was a
one.
good deal.
I'd prefer an older one though. The older ones are way better. They last longer and they're easy to repair. Damn, dude, I'm not gonna lie, the mini lathe is so tempting. I just don't have a spot for it at the shop.
Yeah, you need a nice clean area for that.
The generators are cheap too.
That's a big boy.
See that one at the back there? That's got to have some damage or something, because that's only $200. It's got to be broken. Dude, there's so much stuff. I've been wanting to get one of these. That's cheap, hey. I really want to get one that's upright though.
What do you mean?
Like this little guy, but something bigger. A bandsaw, a proper bandsaw.
Oh, like a, okay.
Yeah.
We need to find like a extension for your shop.
Literally. Are these floors?
It's so squeaky.
I don't even know. Dude, you're wearing Crocs. Of course it's squeaky, but it's squeaky with mine as well.
I'm wearing my garbage painting shoes. So
I should ban these from my shop because I don't want you getting hurt. I don't know if my insurance will cover your stupidity of wearing Crocs into my workshop.
I'm only painting today.
I don't think anyone watches the comments. Probably no one wears Crocs to their shop.
Chris Rudnick.
No,
leave a
he
comment.
would. He would not. I've never seen him wearing Crocs. Anyways,
I've never seen him not wearing Crocs. What is...
it's an electric Dremel essentially, like the rotating guys, like die grinders. Look how cheap it is too. It's pretty good. That's 16,000 Japanese yen. It's like 120 bucks.
It looks like a collet, actually.
So nice. All the circular saws, bench saws too.
Oh, these are like the masonry.
Oh yeah, that's a masonry bit one. Let's see these.
I know.
Japan has some of the best like compact circular bench saws, I feel like.
I bought one and used it for like 3 projects.
You still have it at home?
Oh yeah, it can cut aluminum too, so it's useful. But
I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of looking for a new generator and maybe a new compressor. These are like really fast compressors for nail gunning and stuff, like for building homes. And they have like 2 mini tanks on the bottom. They're super efficient. But
oh wow, they're super light.
yeah, they're
too.
super light, but they're also pretty expensive. Like that's
Yeah. I mean, hey, look at the paint job on this one though.
Does this work? There's no way this has got to be broken. That's too cheap. Inverter, which is alternator.
Yeah.
Well, not alternator, but
The
you know,
inverter. The inverter isn't. I can't really read this.
it says it's not working properly, right?
Probably.
Yeah, it's got to be broken. There's no way they'd be selling this for only like 280 bucks.
Look at
Because
the
that's a $2,000.
paint job on this one though.
Yeah, they all come with so much custom cool stuff. Like all the house builders can get like Evangelion themed ones too.
I've seen those. Yeah.
That's crazy. Ooh, these little mini compressors. Oh, there you go. This is fairly new. We just saw this at the home center today. That's like 1K flat. It's a little much. Yeah, we got a little compressor. It's not great though. We got like one of these guys.
Ooh.
My compressor can barely run it.
That's comes with a full.
Doesn't come with a battery though, by the looks of it. But that is handy.
That's the expensive part though.
Is it missing the tip?
No,
It
it's
slots
the,
in. It's that
the
one
weird,
that
like,
goes in it.
Yeah.
It's
Oh.
cool. I'm not gonna lie, it is cool to see that Milwaukee stuff is now making its way here. Yeah, there you go. 116,000 yen
with a battery.
with a battery. That's pretty good. Yeah, 1/4 inch. That's pretty cool. That's a good side back. You guys know I prefer my SP tools though, for sure. But for used, this is pretty crazy good
Yeah.
for Japan.
Whoa.
That's an impact one. So that'll actually be like a little impact gun built into it.
That's kind. Whoa! It's got like.
Strength, yeah.
That's cool. But again, battery.
So we're checking out this tool shop, but also seeing how much Riley drains his wallet today.
I'm going through a list in my mind right now. Like, okay, the bag that I'm gonna bring to Ebisu with me if Sam's not there.
Like a shop vac, 5,000
You
yen.
need a good shop vac so
Yeah, we
bad.
do. But
Yours
I want a
is
new one.
so terrible. There's Makita ones for 22,000. But there's an issue with this one. This one is
Is this just a box?
no. It's got a. There's no way a box would be 300. Oh, it's a.
Pressure cleaner.
Oh,
Battery operated pressure cleaner.
like the carpet thing.
Yeah. No. For like clean, like you can use it for cleaning cars and stuff.
Oh,
Interesting. A lot of vacuum cleaners on in here.
I mean that's the section.
Yeah, true. All the little leaf blowers. I'm not gonna lie, it'd be smart if we had one of these just at FD to like cool down something in the engine bay.
I mean we have the giant.
I know we have the
fan,
giant
but-
one, yeah, but having one of these would also be smart. Just like to cool down things like the intake manifold and stuff.
Yeah,
But
true.
honestly, it would just be better to have a bag of ice thrown on it.
Really?
Yeah.
But then we have to police around bags of
It's
ice.
only if you're in like the top 4 battles.
Oh, I
Just so you
see.
make sure you're not getting any high IATs and heat soak. Ooh.
Yeah, I'm looking at pressure washing stuff and
That's a Blue Point multimeter. That's actually worth a fair bit. But it's actually really cheap. It's only 15,000.
okay.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Radios.
yeah, Kenwood.
Yeah.
But once you get
Infrared?
into an ecosystem, you
What
gotta.
infrared thing is that? Any It's a Aereo Nippon Avionics. What?
I don't know.
That's weird.
Can't lie.
Are these concrete vibrators? What are those? It's like a little thing you walk. You pick up the handle and walk it. What on earth is that?
Maybe for
I'm gonna Google this later, but what is a HK1800L by Makita? You pick it up from that and you walk it. Look at it. What is that for?
I'm thinking like spray gun for marking, but
No, that's definitely not a spray gun, dude. That's
it's got a motor.
There's gonna be some kind of spinner or something.
Oh, it's got a call it for something in there. Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know what that is. Hey, another pressure washer. Ooh, that's a big motor one.
One.
It's pretty cheap. 38,000 yen for a Honda, a genuine Honda.
I don't think the people in my apartment complex would appreciate me running a gas.
That would be loud for sure. Knipex. Hey, did I say it right? Knipex? Or is it Kinepix? Kinepix? Kinepix?
I don't know. Just say it different every single time you say it. The
I think
comments
you guys in the comments will correct me. But I think you guys told me it's Knipex. Oh, they got the ones I want.
I think it is Knipix.
Kinepix?
Knipex.
Okay, stop. Microns. Micrometers. They got some good dial gauges there too. Look.
I'm between two pieces of plate glass right now. Not the
Mutu Toyo. They have a
Mitsutoyo?
Mitsu? No, Mitu. MITU.
So sometimes
Oh, they get the English Romaji wrong?
Sometimes it's TU and sometimes it's TS. TSU.
Mitsu Toyo.
Those are
Mitu Toyo.
one of the best you can buy.
They're cheap. They're 2,000 yen, but we'd have to get them calibrated, right?
Depends what you're doing with it. Are you building like
engines?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, like I want to make sure, my shims in the SR are level, so.
Okay, yeah.
Probably important.
Whoa. The hollow handle.
Ratchet to roll them off. Dude, the hollowed one's kind of cool, the lightweight one. That's cool. What is it with us guys? Like, we can literally just come here and geek out at this stuff, eh?
Wow, they didn't put material in the handle. That's amazing.
Honestly, they're my favorite ratchets when they do that. I hate the big plastic ones. I love the nice skinny metal ones for sure. SB Tools just released a really nice collection of them.
That's kind of a cool way to store bits in the... But LTTstore.com.
Yeah, LTT Store has the better screwdriver for sure. What else we got here? What's this, little welder? Hell yeah. That's an Enor. That's the same brand as the generator we have. Amazon special, baby.
I really like these holders for socket sets and stuff, because when it's inside the thing, it's so easy to figure out which one you need.
It's great that we can 3D print that stuff now.
Yeah. Actually, with your stuff, I just look at the ones that are worn. The silver tipped one is the 10 mil, and 10, 12, and 14 is all.
What are these other couple little like welders, stick welders maybe, little ones, little MIG and stuff. Yeah, that's a stick welder in that box. Big jet fan. I'm not sure what this is, but I think that's a paint shaker maybe? Yeah, it like spins.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, that's cool.
Ooh, another
jet fan.
Another jet fan.
Look, aircon pumps. Vacuum pumps, sorry. I'm not gonna lie, this is genius. The battery operated ones. That's genius.
That's really cool. Ooh, things that I'm gonna need to put in the back of my car.
Yeah, definitely like something like this would be really helpful for you. That old Mac Tools one's cool. It's like very retro looking down here. That's actually not a bad price too. 33,000. It's a little expensive. It's like 280 US.
It's not.
Oh yeah. It does. See, this is the thing. The retro stuff's super expensive, but the rails have improved so much in the last like 10 years. Yeah. It's all like you could probably switch those rails out.
But at that point, like, what's the point?
These are like the little mini impact drivers that like builders used for driving in big screws and stuff. But like, look how cool all the different colors are. These are used. This is 37,000, so like 280.
2 batteries.
2 batteries, charger, Hikoki. Look at the LED lights built into it.
I can't remember what Hikoki is in North America. It's another brand.
Is it?
Yeah, it's one of the big brands.
I think Hikoki's owned by Panasonic, isn't it? I don't know that. Maybe I'm wrong. But like these things are freaking amazing. 36 volt. The batteries are probably crazy high amp. What are they? 18 volt. Oh, 36. What? Why does it say? Oh, 36
multi-volt.
What?
Maybe
it's a multi-volt battery? That's cool. Okay. But they were very cool. And you can get like Evangelion themed one. Look at the pink one. The black one, blacked out one. There you go, there's another purple one, the Makita one, if you want Makita, or a brown one, like a camo one. Lots of cool different colors. The Evangelion ones are worth a lot of money. They sell for big money because they're more like a collector's one, but builders use them, who are big fans. Dude, the yellow one's kind of cool. I've never seen a Makita yellow before. It's almost like a DeWalt yellow, but it's got Makita's branding on it. That's kind of cool. How much is that? Does it say somewhere? Oh, I think this might be actually brand new, maybe. I don't know, it seems like this is 50,000 Japanese yen, so probably like 480 for the set, 2 batteries and a charger. Not bad. So we're back in the junk corner. I found this old Olympus box, and I'm wondering what this is. I've never seen Olympus tools before. I know they make cameras. No way. Oh, it's an Olympus box with a Makita jackhammer. Okay. There you go. Well, yeah. I think that's just literally an old travel, like an antique
camera
suitcase. That's 100% an antique, like hard case.
Yeah.
Because I was like, what is that Olympus case? Yeah, side ratchet.
Oh, that's kind of 300 yen for a little
box. That's kind of cool. The pink extension cord, that'd clean up all right for 1,000 yen. Dude, I'm such a sucker for that stuff. Did I miss anything over here?
There's a whole bunch of like rubber wheels. Yeah, rubber wheels. What does that go to though?
I have no idea. That's the thing. Sometimes some of this stuff here is a little like, why is it even here? You know, even they don't know what it's from. What is this stuff then? What?
Saw blades.
Vibration control. Oh, they're just saw blades. Look, what's this? Look. It's just bags and bags of old LiPo RC batteries.
Oh, isn't that dangerous? Terrifying.
Yeah, and look, there's just like rods with wires wrapped around it in the same bag. That's so scary.
Yeah.
What the frick is that? Are you ready to die? Dude, it's plugged into a battery. What the freak? And look how swollen that is, dude. Can we unplug that, please?
Yeah, we should probably let them know.
That is...
Should we let the staff know?
That is sketchy. And then what's this? What the frick is that?
Hardness tester?
I don't know, but I'm putting it down.
That
is scary that I just found that. Look how swollen that is.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's ready to explode. Maybe give that to them. Just tell them we found it in junk corner. I was hoping there'd be a little bit more stuff in this store, and it kind of has a bit of an illusion that this is a much bigger store than it is, but it's actually quite small. So a little bummed, but I'm glad we kind of maybe saved their store from burning down. It was definitely a little sketchy finding that battery plugged in and those terminals exposed and metal rods sitting on it. So it was definitely shorted out.
Yeah.
That aside, if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe. This week is going to be pretty hectic. We have FD coming up. So things are definitely going to be a little interesting, to say the least, with my filming schedule and everything going on. But if there's any other stores like this that you want to see us check out, let us know in the comment section. Anything that you saw that you wanted or were interested in, let us know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Ciao, mata.